Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can upload music on SoundCloud mobile. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open up your SoundCloud app. From here, tap on the arrow icon on the top, and as you can see, it's asking you to choose a file from your device, so tap on OK. Now select an audio file that you want to upload. After that, you can rename the title from here. But first, tap on the picture icon and then you can select a photo for your music. After you're done with that, go back. From here, tap on the title and rename your audio. You can name it to whatever you want. So for now, I'll name it as sample music. And once you're done, you can tap on pick genre. And as you can see, there is a long list. You can scroll through it and choose whichever suits your music best. Once you're done choosing, tap on Describe your track. From here, you can type in a description for your song or music. And once you're done, on the bottom, you'll get to see an option that says Make this track public. So you can enable it or disable it based on your preference. So after selecting whichever you want, you need to tap on Save on the top right. And as you can see, the music is now being uploaded. Once it's done, you can go to Library from the bottom bar. Here, refresh the page. Now tap on Profile on the top right. And as you can see under Tracks, your new track has been added. This way, you can add as many tracks as you want. Now you can tap on your music to play it. Also, if you want to delete your track, tap on the three dots beside it. From here, tap on Edit Track. After that, you'll get to see the option of Delete Track on the bottom. Just tap on it and confirm by tapping on Delete Track. And as you can see, this track has now been deleted. So that is how you can upload music on SoundCloud mobile.